Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it's gonna be another unboxing. And I'm anxious to see what I have received in my house, and I'm pretty sure what it is, but here it is, this big box that we've just received. And I'm sure it's an helmet. It's gonna be either a second unit of the Shark Spartan Carbon or a different helmet for me to review. If you don't know why it's gonna be a second unit, I'm gonna leave a link here so you can watch that video and why explaining why I need a second unit of the Shark Carbon or the Shark Spartan Carbon. Let's go to open the box, see what's inside. But before, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, follow my other networks, check out my website in the description below, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!